Makes it that much more interesting. So I'm going to add those. And then I'm going to come back and finish those up, but I want to show you one more detail that we're going to do. We're going to take our purple flowers, since we have so many of them, and we are going to add our purple flowers into the tops of our ribbons right here. And that's going to hide the connection where the ribbon was cut off. Because like I said, the trick with tape decorating is hiding the little flaws. So we've got that there. So we're going to add those. I'm going to go ahead and finish that. You come back when I'm done, and you'll see we're almost done with this cake. All right. All right, so the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add just a couple more green flowers to the bottom part. We want to fill in this little negative space here. So it's not going to be a ton. We're just going to add a couple going up. And I'm not really going to overlap these. I'm just going to put a few so that they look like they're kind of trickling up. So actually we're going to move this one up here. So we're just going to take from the biggest flower down to, or up actually, to the smallest to give it a little bit of movement. So like I said, it's not going to be a ton, just a couple on each place, and this way we give it a little, filling in a little bit of that negative space. So we're going to do biggest to smallest, and then this cake will be done.